Welcome to our video, where we dive into the ultimate kitchen showdown: air fryer versus microwave oven. These two appliances have revolutionized modern cooking, but which one truly deserves a spot on your countertop? In today's fast-paced world, convenience in the kitchen is paramount. Both air fryers and microwave ovens promise quick and efficient cooking, but they achieve this in very different ways. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the pros and cons of each appliance, helping you make an informed decision for your culinary adventures. Cooking technique. Air fryers utilize a convection mechanism to circulate hot air around the food, typically requiring slightly more time than microwaves, but less than traditional ovens. This method is excellent for achieving a crispy exterior while maintaining a moist interior, closely mimicking the texture of deep frying without the excess oil. Microwave ovens, in contrast, heat food using electromagnetic radiation, making them extremely efficient for warming food quickly. However, microwaves may not evenly cook or brown food, which can affect the texture and taste, especially for baked goods or meats. Health considerations. Air fryers offer a healthier cooking option by significantly reducing oil usage, potentially lowering the fat content in traditional fried foods. This method can decrease the overall calorie intake and has been found to reduce acrylamide levels in fried potatoes by 90%. Microwaves, while quick and convenient, do not inherently promote healthier cooking as they do not reduce oil usage or fat content. However, they can preserve vitamins and minerals effectively due to reduced cooking times, especially in vegetables. Cooking speed. Microwave ovens are known for their rapid cooking times, capable of heating or cooking food in just a few minutes. Air fryers, while generally taking longer than microwaves, still offer a quicker alternative to conventional ovens, with cooking times averaging just under half an hour for many dishes. Versatility. Air fryers are praised for their versatility, capable of frying, baking, grilling, and roasting. They allow for a wide range of cooking tasks, making them suitable for various cooking styles and meals. Microwaves are primarily designed for reheating, with limited cooking options beyond defrosting or basic cooking. However, some models offer additional features such as grilling and baking. Crispiness of food. Air fryers excel in delivering crispy and evenly cooked food, preserving the original crispiness and texture of fried dishes. Microwaves, while efficient in heating food quickly, may soften crispy textures and are not ideal for achieving a crispy finish. Cooking capacity. Microwave ovens generally have a larger cooking capacity than air fryers, allowing for the heating or cooking of large quantities of food at one go. Air fryers typically have smaller capacities and may require cooking in batches for larger families. Space and portability. Air fryers can be bulky and take up considerable counter space. Microwaves also require counter space, but are often considered a staple appliance in many kitchens. Ease of cleaning. Many air fryers have removable pots that can be cleaned in the dishwasher, making them easy to clean and maintain. Microwaves may require wiping down the interior, but do not usually have removable pots for cleaning. Energy efficiency. Microwaves are generally more energy efficient than air fryers, consuming less energy for quick tasks like reheating and defrosting. However, both appliances are more energy efficient compared to conventional ovens. Cooking controls. Air fryers typically feature intuitive control panels with preset cooking functions, temperature settings, and timers. These controls allow for precise cooking, enabling users to achieve desired results for a variety of dishes. Microwave ovens also offer user-friendly controls, including power levels, timers, and in some models, preset programs for specific food types. Advanced models may include sensor cooking that adjusts time and power based on moisture levels in the food. Learning curve. There is a slight learning curve when first using an air fryer, as users must familiarize themselves with cooking times and temperature settings for different foods. However, many find the process straightforward after a few uses. Microwaves are generally considered easier to use for basic tasks like reheating and defrosting, with minimal learning required. Cooking more complex dishes may require some experimentation with power levels and times. Cookware compatibility. Air fryers require baskets or trays, often included with the appliance. Some models allow for the use of silicone or metal accessories designed specifically for air frying. Microwaves require the use of microwave-safe cookware, such as glass, ceramic, or specific plastics. Metal should never be used in a microwave due to the risk of sparking and damage. Cooking space. Air fryers have a limited cooking capacity compared to microwaves, making them less suitable for large families or batch cooking without multiple cycles. Microwave ovens typically offer a larger interior space, allowing for the heating or cooking of larger quantities of food at once. This makes them more versatile for families or entertaining. Application in cooking styles. Air fryers excel in creating crispy and crunchy textures, making them ideal for frying, baking, and roasting. They are less effective for steaming or cooking liquid-based dishes. Microwaves are versatile in heating and cooking a wide range of dishes quickly, including liquids and soups. They are not suitable for achieving crispy textures. Cost. Air fryers can vary in price based on size and features, but are generally considered a moderate investment for the kitchen. The cost of microwave ovens can range from budget-friendly to high-end, depending on size, power, and additional features like convection cooking or smart technology. Overall suitability for kitchens. Air fryers are suitable for those prioritizing healthier cooking methods and crispy textures. They are a valuable addition to kitchens where baking, frying, and roasting are common. Microwaves are essential for quick reheating, defrosting, and simple cooking tasks, making them a staple in most kitchens for their convenience and speed.